In today's fast-paced world, homeowners are seeking balance and tranquility within their living spaces. The biophilic design trend has risen to meet this demand, blending natural elements with modern luxury. This narration will take you through the most inspiring ways designers are bringing the essence of nature indoors for a refined yet soothing lifestyle. At its core, biophilic design is about reconnecting humans with nature. It emphasizes natural light, organic textures, and living greenery in home interiors. What sets luxury biophilic homes apart is the integration of these elements into high-end finishes, creating both elegance and wellness-centered living environments. Modern homeowners are not just chasing beauty, they want responsibility too. Luxury biophilic homes showcase eco-conscious materials such as reclaimed wood, natural stone, and non-toxic finishes. This fusion of sustainability with opulence transforms residences into not only luxurious spaces but also meaningful contributions to environmental preservation. Light plays a vital role in biophilic design. Large glass walls, skylights, and strategically placed windows create airy interiors that welcome the sun. In luxury spaces, advanced glazing technology balances heat and light, ensuring comfort while enhancing the connection with the natural world outside. Vertical gardens and lush green walls are now signature features of high-end biophilic homes. Beyond aesthetics, they purify the air and bring an ever-changing living art piece into the home. Designers are incorporating entire indoor ecosystems, making greenery the new standard for modern luxury living. Natural stone countertops, timber flooring, and woven fiber furnishings reflect timeless elegance. In luxury interiors, these materials are elevated with precision craftsmanship and innovative design. By prioritizing organic finishes, homes achieve warmth, texture, and a tactile quality that mass-produced materials can never replicate. The sound of flowing water reduces stress and improves mental clarity. Biophilic luxury homes often integrate water features such as indoor fountains, koi ponds, or sleek reflecting pools. These elements provide a sense of serenity and opulence, turning everyday living into an immersive wellness experience. Biophilic design thrives on open spaces that encourage natural circulation. Luxury homes embrace expansive layouts where air and light flow seamlessly. Combined with minimal barriers and organic zoning, these designs create a natural rhythm that mirrors outdoor landscapes. While rooted in nature, modern luxury cannot ignore technology. Biophilic homes now integrate smart systems for lighting, climate, and irrigation. These technologies operate in harmony with natural cycles, ensuring efficiency while enhancing the organic atmosphere of the home. From olive trees in living rooms to bonsais in studies, indoor trees have become a hallmark of biophilic luxury. Their presence adds grandeur, improves air quality, and makes a powerful architectural statement. These living sculptures remind homeowners of nature's scale and beauty. Biophilic interiors rely on multisensory experiences. Rough stone walls, smooth marble floors, and soft linen fabrics engage touch as much as sight. This layering of textures creates depth and a sense of grounding, making the home not just a space but a lived experience. Luxury biophilic homes favor muted earthy tones, warm beiges, forest greens, and calming blues. These colors echo natural landscapes, helping inhabitants feel at peace. Accents like terracotta or deep wood hues add richness, giving the palette both elegance and timeless appeal. Minimalism and biophilic design often intersect in luxury homes. Large, uncluttered areas emphasize tranquility, while carefully chosen natural accents prevent sterility. These breathable spaces are not just about aesthetics, they directly influence mental clarity and emotional well-being. Perhaps the most striking trend is the dissolution of boundaries between indoors and outdoors. Sliding glass panels, atriums, and verandas seamlessly link interior living areas with gardens. Luxury biophilic homes encourage inhabitants to experience nature not as an accessory but as an extension of everyday life. Biophilic luxury homes often integrate wellness elements such as meditation rooms, yoga terraces, and air-purifying ventilation. These spaces align with the growing desire for homes that heal and rejuvenate. Wellness becomes both a design philosophy and a luxury feature. Beyond greenery, natural luxury incorporates stone sculptures, wood carvings, and handmade ceramics. These artisanal pieces add cultural depth while reinforcing the connection to organic materials. Every object becomes more than decor, it's a tribute to nature's artistry. Biophilic kitchens balance high-end appliances with natural aesthetics. Think marble islands paired with wood cabinetry, herb gardens within arm's reach, and skylights above prep spaces. The result is a kitchen that feels both professional and nurturing. Bathrooms are evolving into wellness sanctuaries. Luxury designs now include stone bathtubs, rainfall showers surrounded by greenery, and natural ventilation. By merging water, light, and organic materials, bathrooms become immersive retreats that echo the serenity of nature. In the luxury biophilic home, bedrooms are designed for restorative sleep. Soft, earthy tones, organic linens, and plant-filled corners create tranquil sanctuaries. Window orientations maximize morning light while minimizing harsh glare, aligning sleep cycles with natural rhythms. As remote work grows, luxury homes are reinventing offices with biophilic design. Expansive windows, living plant partitions, and natural desks improve focus while reducing stress. These environments blur the line between productivity and serenity, proving that nature fuels creativity. Biophilic design is not limited to sight. Luxury homes integrate natural fragrances like essential oils and sounds like birdsong or rustling leaves. This sensory layering creates immersive environments where nature is not only seen but also felt and heard. Contemporary art pieces inspired by landscapes, flora, and fauna are finding their way into biophilic luxury interiors. By blending man-made creativity with natural themes, homes strike a balance between cultural sophistication and primal connection. From Japanese Zen gardens to Scandinavian minimalism, biophilic luxury is enriched by cultural traditions. Each influence interprets the relationship between nature and home differently, offering endless inspiration for unique and meaningful living spaces. Beyond beauty, biophilic luxury homes are smart investments. Buyers are increasingly drawn to sustainable, wellness-centered properties. Homes that integrate natural luxury not only enhance daily living but also command higher market values and long-term desirability. As we've explored, luxury in 2025 is no longer about excess but about essence. Biophilic design brings nature indoors in ways that elevate health, beauty, and sophistication. For homeowners, the true definition of luxury lies in living harmoniously with the natural world, an opulence that nourishes both body and soul.